Okay, so this is section 8.2, and as you can see, you have a right triangle. This side is this side right here. This side, yeah, okay. That side is measured 9. That's 9 units, we'll just say, since it doesn't give us any kind of measurement for that. And this is what we call a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So these are pretty cool because the answers for these are very, very simple. So to find the hypotenuse of a 45, 45, 90 triangle, or is it 45, 90, 45? I don't know. Either way, there are 3 angles. 2 of them are 45, and 1 of them is obviously 90 since it's a right triangle. Okay, anyways. So to find the size of this triangle, you'll notice that 45 and 45 degrees are equivalent. I mean, I'm fairly certain you already know that, at least I hope you would, since they're the same number. Anyways, because these two are the same degrees, that means that 9, the measure of units for this side here, is going to be the same on this side down here. And so in order to find x, you don't do anything with those 2 measurements. You don't multiply them together. You don't do anything like that. All that you do for a 45, 45, 90 triangle to find the hypotenuse is you just got to multiply that number by the square root of 2. And that's literally it. It's very simple. I really like that. 30, 60, 90 triangles are similar, except they just have a few differences that have to do with some of these things that you do multiply, some of the sides you do, and obviously in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, which, by the way, the 45, 45, 90 and the 30, 60, 90 refer to the degrees, the measure of degrees in the angles of the triangle. Okay, so that's it for 45, 45, 90 triangles. Yeah, not very hard. Again, these 2 sides here are equivalent, so this side here is equal to 9, because that one is 9 as well. And in order to find your hypotenuse, which, remember, is always the side, it's always the side here opposite from your 90 degrees. So if you can just follow the 90 degrees over to the x, that's it. That's your hypotenuse. Anyways. So in order to find the hypotenuse in a 45, 45, 90 triangle, all you have to do is multiply it by the square root of 2. And luckily for us, MathXL just requires you to put the number and square root of 2. That's it. Incredibly simple. Thank the gods, finally something I can actually do in math. Anyways, yep, that's how you solve that.